Hey guys, my name is Maxine and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing an unboxing video with CauseBox Spring Collection. So if you're not familiar with the CauseBox organization, it's an organization created by women for all, and what they do is use a lot of recycled products to create products that are organization friendly. So there are so many different ways, items that are recycled, that are reused to help the environment, and they with each subscription you can select items to make your everyday life better, but the items that you do choose are not found in stores, so you can enjoy them in your everyday today life. So as you can see, this box has not been opened, and I am going to open it from here so you can see what is in the spring collection. So let's see, where do I start out? So the first thing that I see is this. So pretty. Ooh, look at this. This is a pretty bag. It's pretty big too. Look at that. Look at all that space. Looks like you could put water bottles in here, books in here. This is like great for a picnic. Just looking off of, and it says on the front, on this little label, you could see that. Yeah. So it says provides 3 meals, feeding mutes, minds, and hope since 2002. So this is beautiful. It's a beautiful bag, honestly. And it's nice for the summer. It's not too much going on. The handles look pretty comfortable to wear on your shoulder. It's great for an everyday, just on the go bag. It could fill a lot. So next things up, let's see. So it says there's the stretch. Let's see, could you see that? So this is the stretch and exercise bands. Let's see. So this comes in pink, like a mustard, and also that like teal greenish color, same as the color as the bag. And it's good for, you know, just any home workout if you don't go to the gym, and it's latex free. Interesting. So yeah. The pink is light, the mustard is medium, and the teal is heavy. So this looks like a great way to get your workouts in. You know, we're already in the summer, so make sure, ladies and guys, you know, we are getting our workout in with those. But yeah, this looks great. So here's another item, and it's a you can see. I'm trying to find the product in this book. Okay, so it's a portable charger. So it's a $49.95 value. So off the top, from what I could see, it's lavender. Actually, let me open this. I did not open the other elastic bands. I think a lot of us are familiar with what elastic bands are, but I will open this. Let's see. Oh, this is so pretty. Looking at the color, look at this. Isn't that so pretty? Look at that. It is absolutely gorgeous. So it's a Champ portable charger, Oh look, and I turned the light on and you could see where the battery is if it needs to be charged. So this is really good because it looks like you can connect a USB or any, I forgot what the port is, and it does come with this cord, which is like universal. You could connect this to anything. And so here is Age Defying Nail Treatment Essential. So this is a nail growth optimizer and a neroli flower cuticle oil. You know, this is, I love that it is free from the toxic chemicals, because I find that I have an allergic reaction to specific ooh, look at that, it's pretty. Yeah, I have allergic reactions to certain nail chemicals, and I noticed that when I use my this is the I'm not sure which one is which. Oh, this is the nail growth optimizer, and I guess this is the cuticle oil. Yeah. So this is a Per Lit Mist Aluminum Setting Spray. So it's called, it says it's Per Lit Mist. And this make that cat eye and contour last all day with this makeup setting spray. So this is a setting spray. I'm just gonna open it so you all could see. It's so funny because I don't have any setting spray. I've been using my rose water. Oh, look at that. This is pretty. Ooh, you see that go? That is so pretty. I hope it's healthy for your skin, you know. The last item that I have here is called a Stress Check Sleep Spray. And this is a fast-acting vegan sleep spray with lavender and chamomile essential oils. It's 7 millimeters, so you get 2.5 ounce. And it says a 99% natural pillow spray with lavender, chamomile, and patchouli essential oils to support a good night's sleep. And this was made in the UK. It's vegan, cruelty-free. Oh, I can smell the lavender right through the bottle. I could only imagine. I feel like I need something like this for days when work is pretty stressful. So that is it. That was all the items that came in this box. That was all I had in today's video. If I do end up using any of these products, I'll share with you all. But if you are interested in subscribing to CauseBox, I'll leave the link in the description. But I really feel all their products are good for the environment and good for yourself. You know, they're good for your skin if there are any skin products, and they're good for maintaining a balanced life. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe to this channel if you're new here, and I hope to see you in my next video. See you guys.